Welcome back to the Mortgage and Marketing Update. I'm Brian DeMarie. I'm a loan originator with Union Home Mortgage and the DeMarie lending team. So CoreLogic puts out their home price index for October. It's up 1.1% month over month, 7.3% year over year. That's up from a 6.7% that they did year over year on their last report. And they have a new report that they come out for the next annual prediction for the year. And from October to October, they were expecting it to be down negative 6.6% appreciation for next year. They have previously revised this multiple times, and they've gone from that negative 6.6 to now positive 2% appreciation for next year, October to October. And we would love to invite CoreLogic to get their act together with some of these figures, because that is a magnificent difference of negative 6 to a positive 2 when all of these market indicators are there for us. Most economists are still saying between 5 and 6% appreciation for the next year, mainly because we know we have this really big first-time homebuyer element, right? Average first-time homebuyer's age is 33, and when we go back in age, everybody who's 33, 32, 31, these years of birth for them have a huge growth spike, a huge birth spike in the amount of people that are entering the marketplace right now. And we partner this with inventory compression. We know that all of this angles toward higher purchase prices. And because, still builders are building less than what they even really should be, taking time to deliver that product. We don't know when builders are going to actually catch up, even though they are also selling everything that they're building right now. So also in this report is about single family homes, detached homes, right? They have increased in value higher than that 7.3% to a 7.9%. Attached homes, which are more like condos, townhouses, they're appreciating only at a 4.5%. So this just continues the theme that a single family home is the way to go as far as, building wealth for a family, because the appreciation is definitely there versus these attached homes. CoreLogic seems to get these numbers a little bit easier because they're just simply reporting something that happened versus predicting the future, which can be more difficult for sure. So the reason we talk so much about appreciation is because for 62% of Americans, their net worth comes from only two places. The first one is their retirement accounts, and the second is the equity that they build in a house. And that's why a house is so important, because the mortgage payment is a forced savings account. Every time they make their mortgage payment, they're pushing down the principal on the house, right? And then hopefully, that is, over time, with the appreciation, they can build equity. And then they can either refinance out of an FHA into a conventional with no MI pretty easily, or they can just eventually pay off the house. And for a lot of people, they're going to use that retirement account and the equity of their house to retire on, especially the next couple of years of people that are going to be retiring, because as we know, there are a lot of folks that are retiring or hopefully want to, but don't have a lot of money to be able to do this. That's why I still think next time we have a market downturn, we'll have more reverse mortgages coming into place when, if we see the Dow Jones get split in half, or, get a really big reduction in price there, that can reduce the amount of money they're getting on their retirement accounts. Then they're going to rely on reverse mortgages because they'll have that equity to be able to tap into. So we are hiring for loan originators right now. If you know anybody that you think would be a good fit for Union Home Mortgage and the La Rosa family, Lily and I would love to have a conversation with them. They need to have experience and they need to have an existing business for us to be able to work with them. But just, call me, text me, email me, and I would love to reach out, start a conversation with them. Facebook Ads Seminar continues Monday, 1 o'clock on Zoom. We're going to talk about lead generation forms, and you're going to want to see how this works for sure. All of those classes are backed up on our YouTube page. Go get warmed up. Got to be working on your graphic design and your videos, right? So we can run some really good ads and get you moving toward the next year. And check me out on Instagram. Talk to you tomorrow.